I lost 180 pounds, and here's what I ate today to shed 12 regained pounds. Boo.
Hey there, how you doing? You're over here. I know I'm working on my nails. So today, where to start? I've not eaten yet. Yesterday I noticed I was having like a floater, but it wasn't like a regular floater. It was a dark black floater, and I'm like, And I know sometimes it can be like a blood clot when it's dark black. So I was like, well, all right. Hang on, just say, Alexa, how much time is on my timer?
Yep, your laundry timer's got 9 minutes and 30 seconds left.
Alexa, cancel timer.
Your laundry timer's been canceled.
Okay, so I'll tell you the story, then I'll go do the laundry, and then I'll finish my nails. So, like wherever I look, especially on something white, I can really see it. It was like a backwards S. And then I noticed it before I left, or maybe right as I was up in the air and looking at all the white, the white inside the plane. And then later that evening, I noticed like a bunch, it's almost like it broke up, and there was a bunch of little bitty black spots all over. I've had regular floaters, but this is a dark black spot floater in a specific shape. So anyway, so I called the eye doctor, and he checked it out, and he said I had a vitreous detachment. He said not a retinal detachment. He said nothing causes it. There's nothing I could have do to prevent it. Nothing I did that caused it. He said just happens with life. He said the eye has just all the things in there, and sometimes something interior with the vitreous that fills the space. Sometimes they'll tear in there, and he said that's what yours did. So anyway, so I went to the eye doctor, and then while I was out, I'm like, I'm gonna go by Walmart and grab the things I didn't grab last Friday. So I got onion, like a red and a yellow onion, a rutabaga, a couple bags for my veggie salads. That was the cabbage. Got a bag of, it's like that broccoli slaw. A baked potato and a sweet potato. I think that's everything. Oh, and I got a couple more cans of the light can of crema. And then I bought 1 can of coconut cream. I don't know. I just wanted to try it. So anyway, so that's what I bought. Yeah. So other than everywhere I look, there's like, I go from here, I look there, and it moves. I look there, and it moves. And it's just annoying as all get out. But anyway, so yeah, so I'm almost done with laundry. And so I just have one more. I just have to take out the things that need folded. And so one more load of that. And kind of have a little thing I've got to make. I have to make up some creamies. I think I only need to make 1 gelatin. I'm not sure. This time I'm going to make up some salads like I used to. And then I got to look at my bills. So that's what's on the agenda today. It's 11:30. I have not eaten yet. I was kind of hoping to get my nails done first. We'll see. We will see. But I do have a big old steak defrosting. So I might just at like 1 or 2 just eat that and just have one big old meal today. I stepped on the scale this morning. It was 176 point something. So I'm up 6 pounds, but that's all right. I ain't stressed about it. I know how much of that is water weight. So like I said, I know some people don't like the scale, and it causes some, some anxiety, but I like knowing the data. So for me, it's like, all right, I'm up 6. Let's see. It should take about 2 or 3 days for that excess water weight to come back off. And so we'll check it again in a few days. Just something kind of fun, random thing I enjoy. So our trash people are here for the recycle. Sorry, it's going to be hard talking to you all whenever I'm looking and it's shoom. It's going to be weird. But he said he said it should slowly absorb. He said, but if I notice like a bright light from somewhere or losing peripheral vision or just any other big changes, let him know. So I'll see you when we eat next.
Well, hi.
some of my coworkers, there's a TikTok of a cat, and it sounds like he says, well, hi. So they send that out. And so, yeah, so I thought I'd say that to y'all. Well, hi. That's too high pitch. What do we have? Well, since I went to Walmart, I bought a lot of you all, several of you all talk about eating avocado. And so I thought, I'm going to pick up some of these little mini. It's just straight avocado, nothing added. But I put some seasoning on the top. I put some of that all shucks corn seasoning that you sent me. I tell you, this crummy thing, I have so many seasonings, I forget about them. I like plain avocado. Oh, yeah. So I'm having this little jobber of avocado for funsies. And here, I have 2 eggs. Sometimes I eat 3 or 4, so I just had 2 eggs since I knew I was having that. And probably 2 tablespoons of bacon pieces and 1 slice of fat-free cheese. I like the fat-free cheese because it's less calories. Y'all know I ain't afraid of fat, but I get fat from everything else. I don't need to have fat in everything. The eggs have some natural fat in them, and so does the avocado. I think I cooked it maybe a tad too long, but So, and I went to Walmart. I got me an apple. I used to have one every day, and I was still maintained. When I was maintaining, I was eating an apple every day, so. Anyway, so that's what I'm going to have right now. So today's my Monday, and I'm home. I have a list of some chores I want to do. I told you all about already. We'll see. Knowing me, I may get bored and go back to work on Wednesday. But I just didn't know how Las Vegas was going to be. Here's what I can say. The hotel itself was extremely overstimulating. Going outside of the hotel, extremely overstimulating. So what I found for me, the last 2 days, what I should have done, I didn't know you could do such a thing really, was changed my plane ticket and maybe come home early. That'd have saved me money on the dogs. But they had a good time, so I know I'm not worried about it. I saved money by picking up yesterday and not getting their bath today. But yeah, so the last 2 days, I really just hung out in my room. It was relaxing. It was relaxing and peaceful. When our team makes it back, if I don't have a chair in my room, I will request one. Because I feel like had I had a chair, I'd have been better. Because I was laying down a lot. It was, I already told y'all, it was an amazing, amazing experience. No regrets, no concerns, no nothing. Like I said, I'd change up what I brought just a little bit. But, man, I'm so proud of myself and doing all that. Not really on my own because we were there as a team. But I still got my own reservations and all that stuff at first and canceled it. And so, yeah, I'm really proud of myself. I'm giving me a pat on the back. We can do that sometimes. So, good job, Terri. All right, I'm going to eat this. Give the dogs a TREAT, and then finish my nails. Guess who likes apples? Come here, Sam. Come here. I'll try it. We don't know where her sister's at. All right, bye. Howdy. How you doing? I have not drank enough water today. I hate when I think about it in the afternoon. Not so good, but that's all right. I'm working on it. Well, sorry, y'all. I still have the little thing flying around. All right, cream. First, I'm going to start with this because I have no idea what flavor it was. Last week's Terri just rushed to make 2, so that way when today's Terri came back, she would have some. But she chose not to label it. I think it's coconut. I'm hot. I think it's coconut and chocolate peanut butter. Hang on, look. Turn the air down a little bit. So what you all do today? I didn't do a whole lot of much. I been sitting here solving crimes on the TV. On YouTube, I follow different crime things, and I'm solving all the crimes of the world. One of them was the one, that Clancy woman. And she's the one who ended the life of her 3 children. So, anyway, so that's a sad, sad thing. All right, I told you I went to Walmart today. Let me tell you what I did. So I have a half of a sweet potato over here and half of a baked potato. So what I did was I microwaved them, and then I put some butter on them, and on the white potato, I don't know if I seasoned it. We'll see. I put I had some fat-free mozzarella cheese and a little butter and some of the bacon left over from my trip. That's what brown is. Mmm. Go, girl. You still got it, sassy pants. And then, this is a baked potato. It's got butter. It's a very high-calorie dinner. It's butter and some cinnamon. Just plain cinnamon, like no brown sugar or anything. And in the bottom of this, I cooked up some frozen onions and peppers and mushrooms. I always cook that first, and I stick in the bottom of this bowl. And I divided this out into 2. This is one of my chuck roll steaks, my roast steaks. And anyway, I cooked the onions, peppers, and mushrooms first. And then what I do is I'll add something to it. Like I have some balsamic vinegar and a little red wine. I put in a little, not soy sauce, liquid aminos. And then I divide that into 2. So the container that this is going to be housed in, the other one. So in here, and then like a storage container. And then when I'm done cooking my steak, I divide that into the 2 containers. So. Good job, Maynard. Good job. So that's my supper. I don't have a lot to tell you. I still see my shape. It does seem like it's getting a little smaller, maybe. It's still like a little backwards S. So, but that's all right. The doctor says it's nothing I did caused it, and nothing I did could prevent it. So he said it just comes along with life. So I'm okay with that. Got my nails done. They're just a simple color, little light pale pink color. Well, that's all I got for you. I love you people. It's been a nice day at home. Bye.